A big thank you to Tuscolusa Toyota. They definitely partnered up with me and Muddy Outdoor, going out there to feed everybody in Texas. They gave us this beautiful truck, so we was able to get out there and have plenty of room to get the food we needed to Texas to feed everyone. So definitely want to give them a big shout out. Today I'm gonna show you how to make some Cajun potato salad. Normally, y'all, these are the potatoes, little red potatoes we put into our crawfish bowls, and we let them, go with our crawfish bowl seasoning. This is the one I make. If you want to check it out, bakersone1.com, or whatever crawfish seasoning you use and like. But these potatoes would normally already be done, you know what I'm saying? So you can make some potato salad. But since it ain't, and maybe you ain't having a crawfish bowl, I'm gonna show you how to make it, y'all. So go ahead on, get your 5 pounds of these little potatoes, y'all. Just cut them in half, okay? Well, since the potatoes were a little bit bigger than the normal ones I get, I went ahead and cut them up like this. Now let's go bring them down to the pot, y'all, and boil them up. All right, y'all. So the water's boiling. Go ahead in there with about 2 cups of crawfish seasoning, okay? And I'm gonna tell you something. Go ahead and open your windows up if you ain't used to it, because you're gonna get what we call the Cajun coffee. Go ahead on, cut yourself 1 lemon in half, and go ahead and squeeze that up in there, okay? Then what I want you to do is take 1 large onion and go ahead on and throw that up off in there. Go ahead on, y'all, and just throw all your potatoes up in there now. I guarantee you're gonna love this here recipe, okay? It's hot. All right, now y'all try and do a little bit better than me. As you can see it all over the wall, all over the door, all over everything. Try and do better than me. And another separate pot, y'all, I want you to go ahead on and boil 8 of your eggs, okay? So I want y'all to just check that out here, what it looks like in the pot, okay? Look, got all that there crawfish seasoning, your onions, that lemon. Oh man, let me tell you something. This potato salad right here is like award winning, I guarantee it. Now I want you to do, y'all, is go ahead with 2 pieces of celery. I done cut them in half, but just take your 2 nice pieces and just really finely cut it, okay? So now, y'all, you see how finely I chopped it up, because you want the celery for the crunch and for the taste, but you don't want to get big chunks. So just make sure that it's like finely chopped, like so. Now just go ahead, y'all, and go ahead and peel all 8 of your eggs, and then I'm gonna show you what to do next. Also, the eggs peeled. Go ahead on, y'all, and just cut your egg open like so. Your egg in one part, and then take your yolk and put it in a separate bowl. All right, y'all, so now just go ahead on, y'all, and just dice it up. Really, to be honest with you, it's all on you how big or how small you want to make your pieces. Personally, I like to make them kind of small, like so. So this is how I really do it, y'all. Instead of one at a time, just go ahead on and just give it all a nice good chop, okay? Like I said, the size of it really don't matter, but I just don't like big pieces of egg in my potato salad, so I like to have it in little baby cubes. I'll show you when I'm completely done. All right, y'all, so the potatoes are fork tender. Now what I want you to do is just go ahead down, shut it off, and go to your strainer and discard the onion and as well as the lemon, okay? Let's go. All right, y'all, so now just go ahead on in there and smash up your yolks really good, like so. Go in there with a 1/4 cup of yellow mustard. Now go in there, y'all, with a 1.5 cups of mayonnaise. Now go ahead on, y'all, and just give all this a real good mix around, okay? Get it really combined, really good. All right, y'all, so go ahead on and check that out. That's what your potatoes gonna look like. See how they look a little red right there with that seasoning on them? What you do now is just go ahead on and smash them up. Not too much, because you do want some kind of a chunky consistency, but not too much, you know what I'm saying? So I'll show you the consistency here in just a second. All right, y'all, so when it looks like that, go ahead with that mixture we went ahead on and made and dump it all in there, every bit of it. All right, y'all, so check it out. Go ahead on in there and just fold in your mayonnaise and mustard mixture, okay? All right, y'all, so now 1/2 cup of dill pickle relish. Go in there with that, okay? And go in there with your celery. And go ahead up in there, y'all, with the eggs now, okay? Now go ahead, y'all, and just fold everything till it's completely mixed, okay? Now, make sure you get all the way at the bottom, because I'm going to tell you, it's pretty easy to leave it at the bottom, and then when you get there, it's going to be dry, okay? So just make sure you fold it all in real nice. All right, y'all, so when it looks like that, what I want you to do there is go with some parsley on top. Nothing crazy, look, something like this, okay? That looks about right, that's good. And then I want you to go ahead on y'all, look, top it with some paprika. Like so. All right, y'all, so that's the end result right there. I guarantee you, whoever comes over to eat something, they're gonna absolutely love it. Look, you can see it, it's all creamy, it's not dry at all. It's gonna have a whole bunch of flavor, y'all, because of that Crawfish Bowl seasoning we use for the potatoes. Man, let me tell you something, everybody's gonna know your secret whenever you pull this out, I guarantee that, okay? So look, that's what it looks like, okay? Now let's give it a try. It's got a little spice to it, a little kick. Celery, like I said, gives it a good crunch. Definitely delicious. So if you like this video, y'all, do me a favor, hit that like button, leave a comment, let me know what you think about it, and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you.